everybody, you're watching Robert's Randomness. Today, we are going to wash my car. And this is my car, new car. It's a 2021 Hyundai Accent. The van and the other car that you've seen in previous videos, they both got traded in for this car. And then my parents bought my wife this van over here, which is a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. I already rinsed it down. We're running the Craftsman Intech 206 Craftsman power washer here. Yeah, I don't have my full handle on there. I picked this. There's Carson, my son. I picked up this power washer down in Lancaster, Ohio, and I should have just videoed when I first started it up for the first time, seeing if the pump was good, everything. Long story short, pump is good, runs good. I don't really know much about pressure washers. The pump back here, it doesn't get real hot, and I've already totally rinsed that van down over there. So I guess that's good. When you let off the trigger, it does hunt a bit, so I'm probably going to do a carb clean at some point on it.
Yeah, it does trigger some.
But anyway, let's wash our car. Hold on a minute. Okay, so I'm going to start it up. There's Carson right there. Please excuse my dress attire. It's pretty nice out. It's in the 50s today. March 3rd, I believe. Very nice day, so I thought I would pull out this pressure washer I picked up and see how it ran. So, here we go. Oh, noise alert too. Hold on a minute. Hold on. I just noticed something here.
I do, you don't do that.
Turn the flash. Don't need the flash. Okay. The difference is you turn on the switch to make it run. Of course. Alright. Leslie, here we go. Oh.
Loud.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go dig.
Alright, now we'll set the pressure off.
Can I spray
Oh.
it?
So,
Can I spray it?
that's
Hey!
it. Pressure's off now. I turned the hose off. Okay, so real quick, I already put the pressure washer away, but real quick, the only thing I really found wrong with this pressure washer was, I can get it off here one-handed. There. Was the tip down in there. Tip of this was clogged up and no water would come out. I poked through it. You can now see light through the little wand hole. That was the only thing I really found wrong with this pressure washer. I am going to have to I will have to order a pressure gauge for in the line so I can adjust the pressure on the unloader valve, but other than that, it ran really good. Just needs a few things, but yeah. Alright, well, that was pressure washing the car with the pressure washer I picked up off the curb. Right there. If anybody has any tips or anything about pressure washers, please leave them down in the comments. Hold on. Oop. Please leave the tips in the comments for me down below. And I definitely appreciate that. But yeah. There you go. A little quick video. I know I haven't put up stuff in a while, so just been crazy busy with getting a new car, trying to keep more hours at work and stuff like that. But there's a little quick video for you, and hope you enjoy it. And God bless. Have a great day.
Yep. Bye bye.